We need to push the angles here.
Yes, make it sharper around the air intake.
The pressure gradient at the rear diffuser shows significant downforce.
Yeah. If we adjust the front airflow, we can balance the load.
Carbon monocoque chassis revealed.
Manual inspection of carbon structure.
Chassis bonding process begins.
Finished carbon chassis ready for body panels.
Rear subframe ventilated support.
Suspension mounting points prepared.
Front carbon body panels aligned.
Side panels carefully fitted by technicians. Rear body structure installed.
Rear engine cover positioned. Front hood installed and aligned.
Laser alignment checks body symmetry.
Final body tightening and torque checks.